出国那个schlemm就弄san Hima。
Uway na Nongjngi na East Khasi Hills uklerik Jaden Wanyang, lalaban penpaw yung jing Tibet hakajing ko Nongjngi jo ka 5th Meghalaya Games, arajara at pusa, kabrangyan ng tahatura. Uni yung Nongjngi wana kasyong Sarin ulalaban Khur Haduh, South Tylli Takma ksir, kaway ka Takma rupa, pat Tylli Takma runong. Ini kita Takma balayo ban Khur hidaling ba ka freestyle 100 meter, breaststroke 100 meter, butterfly stroke 100 meter, but freestyle relay.
My name is Derek Jinin. I am a swimmer representing East Khasi district in the 5th Meghalaya Games. So far I've won 4 golds, 1 silver and 2 bronze. Well, the competition is not going to lie, and it is not something to lie about. It's very tough. We have swimmers from Shela, Mongkot, Kumpung and myself from Shillong. We competed amongst ourselves. We have prominent swimmers from Shela. They are very strong, but we try to compete with our level best. Although we were not able to practice well because we're practicing in the month of January, which is a very cold month. Swimmers, us in Shillong, we swim only for 10 minutes and later on we shiver out of cold. Even so, we practice without a coach, that is. We were still able to acquire many golds, silver, and bronze. Quite hard to balance between my academics and sports, but then it's not the full stop. It's not the end for me. I will continue to participate in more competitions if there is any this year, just like the State Aquatics Championship. That is not the Games; it's a different one. If there is, I will definitely participate and I will practice more so that I will be able to acquire more goals and be a more prominent challenger to the Shella people.